My name is Bryce Summers. I'm in the Department of Computer Science in the School of Computer Science, and I study computer science. My final project is a toy train simulator, which will be expanded into which will be expanded into a train sorting game, which will involve the player solving puzzles where they have to use train tracks to transform input trains into output trains. It's a it's a traditional computer game. The user will interact with it in its final form by using a mouse and a visual display hooked up to a computer that will do the processing that runs the game. First I came up with the idea, and then I drew a couple of drawings, I guess, and then I started programming the game, and then at some point I realized I wasn't gonna get the entire game done by the due date, so I decided to transform it into a toy train simulator to make it to make it in a complete form for the demonstrations that our class is doing. I've learned that there's a lot of nuances to use to the there's a lot of nuances to the design of user interfaces. You know, even there's all there's there's always some way in which you can make the you make the user interface better. And in my toy train simulator, there's a lot of track building, and I'm trying to find ways to reduce we reduce the time it takes the user to move the mouse arrow to a button that allows you to create new tracks. I've been doing a lot of work on trying to solve problems like that.